Good morning, everyone. How are you all? I hope that you all are good and you all must be staying safe at your homes. Today, we are going to start a new lesson that is calendars from Unit 4, that is culture. Calendars is basically a bit lengthy chapter, and a technical one, so we will break it into several days. So, today, we are going to start the lesson with introduction. Go to page number 56. This is day 1 of week 5. Firstly, we need to define what is culture. The culture of a country is made up of its traditions, customs, religions, languages, ideas, foods, arts, including literature, architecture, painting, music and dance, and handicrafts. Many aspects of our culture happen regularly. Why are we linking culture with calendar? This is because every culture has a different calendar, and calendars are different from culture to culture because different peoples have different concepts of time and of measuring time as well. We need to define what are calendars. Here we are trying to explore a little bit about calendars. And why do we have them? A chart or series of pages showing the days, weeks, and months of a particular year or giving particular season information is called a calendar. And why do we have them? They basically tell us the year, the date of the month, and the day of the particular week. Every one of us have calendars at our homes, usually more than one. Whenever we need to find an exact date of the month, the day of the week, we go to the calendar and we find the exact location. This is a picture of a calendar we all are aware of. Today we are going to have a little activity. You need to place a calendar in front of you and try to answer these questions. When were you born? When is Eid, which would be the coming Eid? You just need to go to the month of your birthday and the date of your birthday. So there you are. You are finding the exact date and month of the birthday. So that's all for today. Inshallah, we will meet next time and we will continue our lesson. Till then, Allah Hafiz, take care, stay safe.